Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Maynard Family Homestead. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of hurricane prep. We're going to get the generator out and run it, make sure it's fueled up and ready to go. Put up any loose lawn furniture and that sort of thing. We have a hurricane supposed to be, it'll be affecting our area sometime tomorrow afternoon, it looks like. We're more toward the center of the state, but the current path has it just skirting up the coast, but that's just the eye. The storm is quite a bit bigger and stretches out, so I highly doubt we're going to see a whole lot more than a little bit of a breeze and maybe a little bit of rain from time to time, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So we can just make sure everything's up and ready, and in case the power goes out, we want our generator. So we'll be doing our normal Saturday yard work and that sort of thing, but we'll also be doing a little bit of hurricane prep as well. So thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoy. Get rid of these cardboard boxes so they don't blow around.
You gonna bring your baby? Okay, don't drop her. What happens when you go grocery shopping with two girls?
Looks like we got some water in the fuel. See those bubbles?
Mm-hmm. They're all going down.
Yep, gonna have to drain the tank. Look at all that.
Wow. It's now all over there.
What do you say? It's probably this one. Nope, a little big. Pull it, pull it. Pull it hard. There you go. Good job. Ratchet it. You can do it back and forth. Good job. See if James can do it. Pull it tight, hard. You gotta pull it hard. Spin it around so you got leverage. There you go, right there. Now pull on it. Loosen it. Break it loose. Break it loose. There you go. Tank off.
Ew, there's spiders!
Oh.
Ew.
All right.
I don't want to get by the spiders.
Well,
There's spiders everywhere.
alright.
Yeah.
Let's empty this out. Can't. We're gonna need a funnel. Let's get a funnel. Alright, you can cut.
That's yucky.
Yeah, it's not all that good, that's for sure. Yeah, look at the sludge in there. Wow. That's all stopped up. Oh, looks okay. Now, this is a cool old trick. You can use apple cider vinegar, put it in a rusty gas tank, and it'll eat a lot of that rust out of there. That is nasty. Look at the sludge. It's cleaning that rust off there though. Now ideally we'd want this to sit in there for about a day or so, but I don't have a day for it to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead, get some baking soda, and go ahead and flush the tank with baking soda and water. Boys, we got ourselves a sinkhole. That's not good. The whole ground around here is, look at that, caving in. Oh boy. Draining the swimming pool, and it's not cool. Looks like it comes all the way over here too. Yeah, stay back, buddy. I don't think it's very deep, but it does come over here too. This whole ground is kind of sinking in, but it's probably a total area of about 3 or 4 feet and about a foot deep. So we'll have to fill that bad boy in. It's hard to tell, but I did a pretty good job of cleaning it up. There's still a few rust spots in there, but that vinegar does really good. You just got to make sure to neutralize it when you're done. We're going to put it the other way. Try it. the filter system that came with the swimming pool is not big enough to do the job, and we put in probably 5 to 7 gallons of chlorine in our pool every single week. But with the heat we have here in Florida and all of this just direct sunlight, that little filter just can't keep up. So we're gonna see if we can find like a sand salt filter combo, something like that, to something that's a little bigger that can filter the water better. We got the little fountain pump and put in there, and that pump's like 2,500 gallons per I think it's 25 gallons per hour or something like that, and it keeps the water moving at least, so it doesn't sit and go stagnant, but it's too much to keep up. So we're going to try to get a better filter and put on it and hope that works. But it got out of, it was just turning green, and instead of dumping tons more chlorine in it, we just decided we're going to drain it and start over. So we'll drain it, we'll clean it out, fill it back up, put some chlorine in there, and hopefully we'll have a better pump filter at that point. So for dinner. Looks good, huh? I was thinking about maybe moving the baler because it sits under a really big, I don't know if you can see this big oak tree right here, big water oak. These things are notorious for coming down with the littlest breeze, pretty much. But I just was looking at the forecast track again of the hurricane, and it's already weakened a little bit down to a tropical storm, and it's I mean, we're gonna get the outer bands of it, and that'd be about it. So usually with an outer band, I mean, you'll get a little bit of wind and some rain in short, like small intervals, they'll come through, but nothing more than what we would get in like a normal summer thunderstorm. So I think I'm just gonna leave it. It's been a hot, long day, so ready to go in and call it a night. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching and supporting our channel, and if you don't mind, if you would hit the like button down there, give a thumbs up on the video, and if you're not a subscriber, please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you. Doesn't cost anything, and it helps our channel to grow and get rankings and all that good stuff. So anyway, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video.